Hi all, in this video we are going to discuss about Raspberry Pi 4 K2 minor microcontrollers fifth module topic ആണ് Raspberry Pi 4. Raspberry Pi 4 board. Raspberry it is actually a board that is used for embedded applications. Raspberry Pi 4 is the latest one of that version, that family. It is a dual display single board computer that is introduced on 24th June 2019, and it is widely used in automation and robotics. And it is very economical and superior in terms of speed and performance. You can search for Raspberry boards in Amazon or such online shopping uh, uh, platforms, and it's about 4,000 to 6,000 in price range. Raspberry Pi 4 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു സിംഗിൾ ബോർഡ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ. ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് ആസ് സ്മോൾ ആസ് ഒരു ക്രെഡിറ്റ് കാർഡിൻ്റെ സൈസ് ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. They are a single board computer. It's also called a mini computer because you can have all the keyboard. ഒരു കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൽ വേണ്ടുന്ന എല്ലാ സാധനങ്ങളും ഇതിനകത്തേക്ക് നമുക്ക് അറ്റാച്ച് ചെയ്യാം by connecting the peripherals like keyboard, mouse, display, everything to this Raspberry Pi board. It is like a mini computer. The Raspberry Pi is popularly used for real-time image or video processing. So IoT applications, robotic applications, all these are possible. Now Raspberry Pi, that is or for robotic applications too, and so Raspberry Pi officially it is provided by, I mean, the foundation has provided Debian based Raspbian operating system, that is Linux based operating system. But Raspberry Pi is more than a computer. It has on chip hardware, the GPIO pins, that is general purpose input output pins, through which you can connect all the devices like LEDs, motors, sensors, everything, and we can control them too. അപ്പോൾ ആം ബേസ്ഡ് പ്രോസസ്സറാണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ റാസ്ബെറി പൈ 4 യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ആം ബേസ്ഡ് പ്രോസസ്സർ. ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് വൈ നമ്മൾ ആ ഫിഫ്ത്ത് മോഡലിൽ ആദ്യം പഠിച്ചത് ആം പ്രോസസ്സേഴ്സിനെ പറ്റി നമ്മളൊന്ന് വി ഹാഡ് എ ബ്രീഫ് ഡിസ്കഷൻ ഓൺ ആം പ്രോസസ്സേഴ്സ് ബിഫോർ സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് വിത്ത് റാസ്ബെറി പൈ 4. അപ്പോൾ റാസ്ബെറി പൈ ബോർഡിൽ നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് ആം ബേസ്ഡ് ബ്രോഡ്കോം പ്രോസസ്സറാണ്, സിസ്റ്റം ഓൺ ചിപ്പ് that uses, and also on-chip graphics processing unit. The CPU speed of Raspberry Pi is from 700 MHz to 1.2 GHz, and it has onboard SD RAM that ranges from 256 MB to 1 GB. Raspberry Pi also provides on-chip serial port interface, I2 communication, and UART modules are also available for all these serial communication. Raspberry Piയുടെ കുറച്ച് ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. I told you it was released in 2019. ഇതിന് മുമ്പുള്ളത് Raspberry Pi 3 Plus ആണ്, and you have previous models like Raspberry 2 and all. ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് എന്താ, ലോ കോസ്റ്റ് ആണ് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. ദ കോസ്റ്റ് കമ്പാരിറ്റീവ്ലി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു കൺസിഡറബിളി ലോ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു 4,000 to 5,000 INR, ആൻഡ് യു ഹാവ് an ultra low power 1 watt. That is a power that is being used for this Raspberry Pi model Pi 4 model, and it is credit card sized, very small, right? Easy and user friendly, and very easy to use in the sense namla Linux platform lana you have that Python. We use Python programming normally for Raspberry Pi 4 boards. For 1.5 GHz 64-bit quad-core ARM Cortex-A72 processor ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. ARM Cortex, one of the latest processors are being used in Pi 4 board, and it has the onboard 802.11 AC Wi-Fi connection, that is Ethernet, that is full gigabit Ethernet and Bluetooth 5. You have two USB ports for USB 2.0 ports and USB 3.0 ports. In the a slight difference in the functionality, in the sense speed is better for the 3.0 version, and 2.8 GB of RAM. It also provides dual monitor supporting via a pair of micro HDMI ports വഴി നമുക്ക് രണ്ട് display video TV something can be even connected, monitors ഒക്കെ കണക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും through these HDMI ports. So let us have a detailed look on the pinout of this board. You have the processor, then this is the wireless Bluetooth, that is 2.4 to 5 gigahertz ulla wireless Bluetooth, micro card micro SD card slot, and then you have the DSI display port. This is a micro SD card slot, and then you have the DSI display port, and you have the USB connection that can be taken through C type cable. Type C cable വെച്ചാണ് നമ്മുടെ നോർമലി ഉള്ള USB-നെക്കാട്ടിലും കുറച്ചും കൂടി more smaller of the kind. You can have 5 volt to 5 volt 3 ampere power supply, and then this is the micro HDMI ports that can be connected to the displays. ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് we have the CSI camera port again, that is mobile interfacing camera port. This is also mobile interfacing display, and then you have the stereo audio port. You have two USB ports, 2.0 and 3.0 two ports, and this is a gigabit Ethernet. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ ഒരു പ്രത്യേകത, one main thing to speak about this Raspberry Pi model is PoE hat header. That is, you have Ethernet powered Ethernet, that also along with the data lines. And here this is the GPIO pins, that is 40 pin general purpose input output header, through which you can have the general purpose input output interfacing. So let us see each of these pins in detail. Power over Ethernet technology, that is one of the special features of Raspberry Pi. You can see this technology that passes electric power over twisted Ethernet cables to power devices through wireless access points, IP camera, VoIP phones, and okay, along with the data that the cable carries, you can have the power also. Now next is the display interface, that is also a special feature for this Raspberry Pi module. You can have mobile interfacing with display that can be used in dashboard, in car systems and wearables, and also in augmented reality applications. The GPIO pins are also, they can be connected to LEDs, drive motors, sensors, everything that can be connected through these GPIO pins. You have 40 pins for GPIO purposes. But let us see in detail about this GPIO purpose. GPIO ports. Again, this is the quad-core processor. I told you that is we make use of an ARM Cortex processor, and this is a USB cable for USB with Type C cable for the power supply to HDMI ports, that is for video or display interfacing. You have two USBs, 2.0 and 3.0 each, and gigabit interface, Ethernet gigabit Ethernet. That is one of the special features, gigabit Ethernet. And these are the GPIO pins. 40 pin ഉണ്ടെന്ന് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു. അതിൽ the first one is 3.3 power, that is used for special sensors, അങ്ങനെയുള്ള ചെറിയ ഡിവൈസസിനൊക്കെ you need only small voltage അല്ലേ, അപ്പോൾ അതിനു വേണ്ടി 3.3 volt power can be used. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ sensors, everything can be powered using this. You have a 5 volt power supply pins that are given by 2 and 4. പിന്നെയുള്ള കുറച്ച് ground pins ആണ്. You can see number 6 is the ground pin, number 14 is the ground pin, then you have number 20, 30, 34, and 39, 25, 15, and 9. These are all ground pins, and the remaining are all GPIO pins, general purpose input output pins, that through which you can connect all the input output peripherals, like this is for transmission and receiving, this is a clock, and this Raspberry Pi does not support analog inputs. You just have the PWM GPIO pins for the digital input and output. Again, you have the clock. These are the serial data and serial clock line and data line. Serial data line, that is for holding the data, and clock for synchronization. So these are the main things about the GPIO pins or GPIO port of Raspberry Pi 4. Now, this module can be laced with GPIO pins and can be employed for different computer applications, just like web browsing or writing programs. Everything can be done through this module. And Raspberry Pi 4 has gigabit Ethernet, that is coupled with Bluetooth and Bluetooth 5 and onboard wireless networking. This device comes with a powerful and efficient quad-core processor that is of ARM Cortex-7. The CPU clock frequency is 1.5 GHz, as already told. ഇനി നമ്മുടെ ഇതിനകത്തുള്ള റാം മൊഡ്യൂൾ റാം that includes 1 GB. നമുക്ക് അത് ഏത് വേണമെങ്കിലും പർച്ചേസ് ചെയ്യാം ഡിപ്പെൻഡിങ് ഓൺ our requirements. You can have 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB as per the requirement. But RAM temporarily stores the information and that can be removed, or it is wiped off after the power supply is there, after the removal of power supply. And you have two HDMI ports, as again that's being told again. The machine supports I2C communication, like I2C communication, serial port interface UART, that's already told. I2C communication, which is half duplex, while serial port communication, that is full duplex communication, and UART is the communication hardware that is being used. And Raspberry Pi comes with 3 USB ports. One is for the power supply cable, that is type C cables, for the power supply, and then you have two USB ports, 2.0 and 3.0, that ports that are used for connecting external peripheral devices like mic, webcams, keyboard, everything. And Raspberry, yeah, so these are the different parts or important parts of a Raspberry Pi 4 board. They are used for robotics, IoT, and embedded projects. As told earlier, there are 3 pins, 5 volt and 3.3 volt pins, 3v3, and also the ground. But these 3.3 volt pins that are being used for sensors like PIR sensors, motion sensors, humidity sensors, magnetic sensors, etc., they can be powered using this 3.3 volt pin. And GPIO pins that are already told is being used for interfacing with external devices. And GPIO 2 to 27, that comes with Broadcom BCM naming convention, for Broadcom chip module convention, in that kind of naming. And this is used for Python libraries. And the internal labels from 1 to 40, that is for the board naming convention. The convention is useful when BCM is not supported. That is internal labels that are being used when BCM is not supported. It is used with some programming libraries. Raspberry Pi 4 module has serial port interface communication protocol. And this is the type of communication which uses master-slave communication with full duplex communication, and it is employed to lay out the communication between the controller and peripheral devices like shift registers, sensors, etc. Sensors, everything can be connected, and 2 pins are used. One is master output, slave input, and the other one is master input, slave output. Anyway, the master tells, the slave obeys to the command, and that is how the communication goes. Maybe the master can give a command to 6 slaves, depending on the type of command that is being given. Our Raspberry Pi 4 module is incorporated with I2C communication too, that is have duplex communication, that is inter-integrated communication protocol, and it has two pins, SDL and SCL, that is for serial data line and serial clock line. Serial clock line that synchronizes the that is used for synchronization of data transfer, while serial data line that carries the data, holds the data. And this has UART serial communication hardware with two pins. One is for receiving and then transmitting. The transmission pin that is used for transmission of serial data, and receiving that is for receiving of serial data. So that's all about Raspberry Pi 4. Just introduction and features and pinout of Raspberry Pi 4 board. And now in the coming sessions I'll be uploading the video on IoT application with Raspberry Pi 4. Thank you.